This is the Floral Fantasia Classic Quilted 32 roll XXX pack. Whew, scented as well. Now, I don't usually share toilet roll videos, but there was a reason I wanted to share this and leave a little review for this, because I think 32 in a pack is really good value. The scented element, I could, live without that really, but it is actually pretty gorgeous. And when you've got it in the toilet, so to speak, it does smell really nice. So I think that's a win for me, because it's always nice to have that scent in there. Well, you know what I mean anyway. One of the key things that I just wanted to share on this is when I first got these, I did think the inner was a little bit thin. And now when I've used them, I actually think that the 3-ply, the paper itself, is really good, because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. And that might sound strange, but the reason why I want to share this video is so when you get them and you think, oh, it's a little bit squishy, actually it's perfect size, because you're not using too much and you're not using too little, if that makes sense. Anyway, very quick review video. I like these. I think they're a great toilet roll, so I just thought I'd share that little thing with you.